Now we want to teach about the health effects of radon, and we have a video for that, right? So at this point in the process, the customer is honestly probably tired of hearing from you. And so we built in some videos here to help explain everything the exact same way every single time. And so it's really easy to play these short videos for customers. We're not asking permission necessarily. We don't want to be rude about it, of course, but we want to just let them know, okay, so now I have a video about the health effects of radon. I play this every single time. After it's over, just let me know of any questions that you have. And then boom, you hit play. So I'm going to do that for you right now.
It's a scientific fact that radon exposure can cause lung cancer. In fact, it's estimated that 15% of all lung cancer fatalities are caused by radon exposure. But did you know that radon, which is a noble gas, doesn't actually cause lung cancer itself? It's true. It's the byproducts of radon that can cause lung cancer. Let me explain a little further. Radon is created from uranium, which is a mineral that lives several layers into the earth. In its natural state, uranium can change into radium. During this transformation, the noble gas radon is released. It then travels out of the earth and gets trapped in our homes and buildings. At this point, the radon goes through another transformation. This time, new radioactive elements are released into the air. Unlike radon in the gas form, these new elements are solid and can stick to surfaces, such as dust particles in the air. Attached or not, these elements can be inhaled by humans and pets. Once inhaled, the radioactive elements can mutate the DNA cells found on the soft tissue of the lung. These mutated DNA cells are cancer cells. So in summary, the natural breakdown of uranium into radon and then into radioactive elements that can be inhaled into your lungs causes the risk for developing lung cancer to increase. To reduce your risks of developing lung cancer, it's recommended that you reduce your radon levels as low as possible and filter out the radioactive elements.
So wow, what a great video that's going to explain everything that you have already said to this point, right? But it puts a visual to this. So one of the biggest things that we come across in radon that's a problem is we can't visualize radon because it is invisible, right, as a gas. And the only way to know if you have a problem is by testing. So this video, in my opinion, does a great job to set it all up, come from somebody else rather than you to the customer, and provides a third-party view at what radon looks like with the illustrations, right? So it creates urgency. They understand the risk of what it can cause, which is lung cancer. But at the very end, you'll notice that not only does it talk about the problem, where it comes from and what it does, but now it says what to do, right? So you're planting a seed for additional solutions to help with the radon situation. So the first step is to reduce your radon levels. We always do that through depressurization, sometimes ventilation. But then step number 2, if you're concerned about the health components, would be to filter out the radioactive elements. And we could do that with a Breathe Easy air cleaner in the HVAC system. And we can create your whole house comprehensive indoor air quality system with your HVAC unit. And it helps with radon decay as well. So a great video to tee it up. I recommend playing this every single time. It gives you a break so you can gather your thoughts. And then after the video is over, you can make sure that that makes sense to the homeowner before you move on to the next section. Okay, so next, now that the homeowner knows about the problem, what they need to do to fix it, we're going to elaborate on that more with another video. All right, so it's another illustration. It shows the 3 most common methods to mitigate or fix the problem that they're having. And so this is, again, a great visualization for them because they can now see what you're about to propose with the work itself. So when you get to this page, the easy way to frame it up, like, okay, now we know about the problem. Here's how we fix it. We have 3 common methods, and we'll explore those all in a short video. When it's over, I'm all yours to answer the questions. Okay.
Your National Radon Defense Dealer utilizes 3 technical strategies to protect you and your loved ones from radon exposure. These 3 strategies are depressurization, filtration, and ventilation. The most common radon mitigation strategy is called depressurization. This involves drilling one or more penetration points into the concrete foundation floor and attaching PVC pipe from those points to an inline radon fan. The radon fan runs 24/7, pulling the radon gas to these extraction points and safely exhausting the harmful soil gases outside. If a home or building has a crawl space with exposed dirt, we encapsulate and isolate the earth from the home using a durable reinforced plastic liner. We then connect the radon system's PVC pipe and inline radon fan to this liner and pull the radon gas out from under the liner and vent it safely outside. Filtration of radon's decay products, also known as radon daughters or progeny, is another effective strategy to protect against radon-induced lung cancer. This technique utilizes proprietary air filtration technology installed in the central heating and air conditioning system to filter the very small radon decay products as they circulate throughout the house. Ventilation is the third strategy for reducing radon exposure. Utilizing an energy recovery ventilator, we efficiently draw in and condition the fresh outside air. At the same time, this system exhausts the poor indoor air containing radon and other indoor air contaminants outdoors, thus replacing poor air with clean, conditioned, fresh air. Your National Radon Defense dealer will consult with you to recommend the optimal radon mitigation strategy to help you accomplish your goals and improve your family's indoor living environment.